Let's just see the fish out there. Let's see if you can see the bass from here. Big and bigger is what I call them. And those are definitely big mouth bass. Big, oops, and bigger. There are some little ones too. I don't see where they are. Anyway, I'm going to always be ready. I've got my finger. Xena! Good girl. Oh, I'm not getting too close to the water. She must be fearful of the water. And honestly, a lot of Dobermans swim. I'm surprised. Xena. But without thinking, when she gets that cue, she's coming back. That's your foundation for everything, you guys. Look, the fish followed us to over here. Unless that's completely different fish, I don't think it is. I think it's the same ones. I'm telling you, fish heal, they do everything. I need to get a little mini pager and put on the fish. That would finally prove to the world. So remember, you guys, you're always calling them, Xena! See how even that short distance, she runs back to me. Gotta keep conditioning. In fact, I think if we get the pedometer thing from Dogtra, we can put it on there and see how much they ran. Anyway, this little deaf old English sheepdog my friend Nina has is coming for a lesson. And Jason is coming to drop off Bodie Joe Porter. In fact, we could try making Jason be the intern when he comes back. Jason's been the intern a couple times. He's Joshua's friend. They're both emergency room doctors. These guys are quick studies. I've never seen anything like it. I'm telling you, the fish are following me. Oh, there's the smaller one. All right, hang on. Let me see what this text is. It's probably Alan. Saying, I could never do that to Dallas. This phone is just impossible to see. Oh, maybe wow. You must be kidding. Okay, Alan, I play practical jokes on you almost on a daily basis, so he's so gullible. Wow, you must be kidding. No, this is what I'll say. No, they pay up to $2,500. Let's see if that changes his mind. I mean, I'm constantly playing practical jokes on him. I don't understand how he does it. All right, now let's walk over here. So I put, no, they pay up to $2,500. And before you guys at home start freaking out, of course I'm kidding you. So I put, no, they pay up to $2,500. Xena! All right, you guys, we'll continue the Allen saga in the next episode. We got to go get the boxer. Bye, you guys.